In some big news coming out of F1, Daniel Ricciardo is back in a car and racing. Well, at least he will be next week. After the test, Spang test, whatever test they did, the tire test, he apparently ran some laps that were supposedly front row material for Silverstone timing. And as that comes out, well, Nick DeVries is also out. After 10 rounds, he's gone. Who knows if he's going to be back to the reserve driver or what? I don't know that part of the story, but as far as I know, Daniel Ricciardo is going to be taking the seat at AlphaTauri for the remainder of the season. Now the question becomes, is this a let's put him in a car and see how competitive he can be and maybe fight for the job again of the second driver or second seat at Red Bull, giving a little pressure to Checo Perez? But who knows? I mean, there's a lot of people saying, or a lot of people talking about that you really need to give DeVries a full year to see how fast he can be. But F1 is an absolutely cutthroat sport. There's only so many seats, only so many people that can race, and there's so much talent in the F2 and F3 fields that even if you are in a bad car, you need to outperform that car or outperform your teammate, and he hasn't done that. If he was better than Yuki Tsunoda, he probably would keep that seat, and who knows, but I don't know. In the comments below, you tell me. How well do you think Daniel Ricciardo is going to do? Is he going to be back of the field, or is he going to surprise some people in that AlphaTauri car and put it midfield and kind of be competitive for some points? But whatever it is, comment it down below. I'd like to hear your opinions. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.